In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord game freeze issue. If Discord freezes after you exit a game, or becomes unresponsive while you're using it, don't worry. This issue can often be caused by hardware acceleration, debugging features, compatibility settings, or conflicts with Windows. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps that can help restore Discord to normal operation. To begin, launch the Discord app on your computer. If the application is still responding, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. From the menu on the left, scroll down and select Voice and Video. Continue scrolling until you reach the Debugging section. In the Debugging section, locate the Debug Logging option and turn it off. Discord will display a confirmation message. Select OK to continue. The application should restart automatically to apply the change. If it doesn't restart on its own, simply close Discord completely and open it again. After Discord restarts, return to User Settings once more. This time, scroll down the left menu and select System. Here you'll find the Hardware Acceleration setting. Turn Hardware Acceleration off, then confirm the prompt to restart Discord. This feature can sometimes cause performance problems or freezing on certain systems, so disabling it may improve stability. Once Discord has restarted, close the application completely before moving on to the next step. Open the Windows Start menu and search for Discord. In the search results, choose Open File Location. When the shortcut folder opens, right-click the Discord shortcut and select Open File Location again. This will take you to the folder containing the Discord application files. Inside this location, you'll see one or more folders named App with version numbers. Open the folder that corresponds to the latest version. If there's only one app folder, simply open that one. Locate the Discord application file, making sure you select the application itself rather than its shortcut or icon. Right-click the Discord application and choose Properties. In the Properties window, open the Compatibility tab. Enable the option to run this program in compatibility mode, then choose Windows 8 from the available list if it isn't already selected. This compatibility mode doesn't change your operating system. It simply allows Discord to run using compatibility settings that may help resolve certain issues. While you're on the Compatibility tab, also enable the option to run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then select OK to save your changes. After completing these steps, launch Discord again and check whether the freezing issue has been resolved. Disabling debug logging, turning off hardware acceleration, and adjusting the compatibility settings can often eliminate freezing problems and improve overall performance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,